Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 28. Sitiveni Rabuka has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country? Options: Maldives, Fiji, Singapore, Malaysia. Sitiveni Rabuka has been elected as the new Prime Minister of Fiji. Rabuka will be the 12th Prime Minister of the country. He also served as the Prime Minister earlier from 1992 to 1999. Rabuka is the head of the People's Alliance Party. At a meeting of the Fijian Parliament, the 74-year-old secured the nomination by one vote over incumbent Frank Bainimarama. So the right answer for this question is option B, Fiji. Sitiveni Rabuka, he has been elected as the Prime Minister of the country Fiji. And here is another question for you. Which Indian scientist won the VinFuture Special Prize 2022 award? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down. And if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such current affairs, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali and do not forget to check out my community post.